Hey guys, before I start this video, I want to say that this is not the announcement. I've been talking on Instagram saying that I have an announcement video coming up soon and stuff, and this isn't it. This is just something that literally happened yesterday. And it's a very big deal in my life, so I want to make a video about it. Yesterday, or well, technically today, because we haven't given the money yet, but I paid a deposit yesterday, but yesterday I bought a car. Like a brand new one. Okay, so I feel like I need to explain this, but I also need to start getting ready. So I'm gonna do my makeup because my mum said she wants to take photos and she wants me to look nice. So for today for primer, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Primer and the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light. I got my license I got it in August, so like only like a month ago. Actually, let me start way at the start. In April 2019, I bought my first car. My grandpa helped me buy it. It was $3,500, and what he did was he paid the $3,500, and then I paid it back to him so that I didn't have to get a loan and I didn't have to pay any interest or anything, which is really lovely of him. So yeah, I bought my first car. It was like it's a 2006 Kia or something like that. It's pretty old. It was honestly like such an amazing first car. Like, I love it. I'm actually sad that it's going because I feel like it's, you know, we've been through a lot together. But obviously I feel like now that I'm on the road and stuff, I just need something a little bit newer because more so it's more so about the safety features and stuff like that. Like, obviously a 2006 car is going to have a lot less safety features than a 2020 car, you know what I mean? And also just stuff like no Bluetooth. It's got like, it still has like a cassette tape and everything in it, which honestly I didn't mind for my first car. Like, it was like, but yeah, so my parents said to me 2 days ago, they were like, we think you should get a new car, like we should have a look at some used car dealerships and stuff. And I was like, yeah, okay. And so yesterday the plan was to go and look at some used car dealerships. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I'm also going to put some of this on my eyes because I'm not doing any eyeshadow today. So yeah, I was looking around on the websites and stuff, and the plan was to go to, you know, a used car dealership. But then my grandpa was like, no, don't buy another used one, buy a brand new one and I'll help you pay for it. And I was like, so yesterday, me and my grandpa went around to the car dealerships, like is that what they're called, or like the new ones, you know? And I picked out a car, and basically he is going to buy the car and then I'm going to pay him back. So pretty much like what we did for the first one, because that way I don't have to pay any interest, I don't have to get a loan. And he was like, you know, you're going to be spending upwards of 15 grand anyway, might as well get a new one. So we went to Hyundai yesterday. I got the Elantra or something like that it's called, and I literally, sometimes I just do not know what my life is. Like, I just cannot believe that he would do something so selfless and just, well, actually I can't believe it because he's very generous, but you know what I mean? Like, I just feel like that is just so kind and so nice of him. So yeah, I paid the deposit on it yesterday. I put 2.5 grand on it. It was 21,000. So he's gonna pay the rest, and then I'm gonna pay him back, which I just feel like it just means a lot to me. I feel like, obviously I know I'm trustworthy. I'm not gonna obviously steal my grandpa's money or anything, but that's a lot of money and that's a lot of trust for him to have in me. And I feel like that is such an honor that he obviously trusts me that much and, you know, has that much faith in me, and the fact that he's even willing to do that, like, you know, he doesn't have to do that at all, but I just feel like that is just so kind of him. Like, yeah. He probably won't watch this video, but he always supports all of my YouTube and my Instagram and stuff. Like, he always likes my Facebook posts, and he's just, yeah, I feel like I'm just so appreciative, and on the off chance that he ever watches this, thank you so much, Gramps. Like, I do, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it so much. Obviously I've said this to him in person, so it's not like I'm, you know, only saying it on a video. But yeah, so today we're going to pick it up and I'm so excited. I'm like so excited. So we're going away on a road trip this weekend. It's my very first road trip where I'm going to be driving. So I'm so excited to have my car because it has like a little screen and stuff where like you can put like, you know, like the maps and stuff on your phone. Like you can connect your phone and see the maps and stuff, which is going to be so good because obviously I've never driven up where we're going before. And yeah, so, and obviously I've got all my new safety features. The aircon and stuff actually works in my car. So yeah, like I'm just, oh my god, I just cannot even believe it. Like I actually feel guilty. Like I really do. Okay, before I do any concealer, I'm just going to quickly set my eyelids so they don't crease just with the Laura Mercier powder. I feel like, yeah, I don't know, like I feel honestly really guilty. But the thing is, obviously I have earned my grandpa's trust. Obviously he wants to help me out and he can, which I think is so nice. Like I can't wait until I'm in the position where, you know, I can do this for my grandchildren or, you know, for like my nephew and like my other family members. Like, you know, that is honestly one of my biggest goals in life. I feel like I'm just concealing with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. One of my biggest goals in life, and one of the reasons that, you know, I do all my YouTube videos and stuff, like obviously I love it, but the thing is I also want to be well off so that I can help my family, so that, you know, they have always done so much for me, and yeah, I want to repay them. I want to buy them whatever they want. I don't want them to have to worry when they retire. You know, I want my nephew to be able to go to like whatever school he wants, you know, like I want all of those things, and I feel like, you know, not everyone is always in the position to do that, and that's why I feel like I want to work as hard as possible so that I can help my family out, and also Sam and stuff. Like I never want my family to go without or anything like that. Like I want to be able to spoil them. I want, you know, my family deserves the absolute world, and that's what I really want to give them. And I feel like obviously my grandpa feels the exact same. He's always happy to help. He always helps us out with so many different things, and yeah, I feel like that's kind of where I've got that from. Like I've always kind of grown up, you know, with grandpa offering a helping hand and always being so generous. Is there a hair on me? I can't tell. And yeah, I feel like he has taught me a lot. He's taught me, you know, to always be generous and to always help your family out, and yeah. I'm just setting my concealer with the Laura Mercier powder. He is honestly just, yeah, he's such a giving person, and it's not even like, it's literally like just instinct for him. It's never, he never second guesses it, or it's never a second thought. It's literally, if there's any way he can help, he does it, you know? And I really do admire that. I think has such a big heart, and the people, you know, in his life that he cares about, he really does care about. He is just, yeah. I love my grandpa a lot. I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder in Light. So yeah, I couldn't sleep last night because I was so excited. So yeah, I was up at like, oh, I kept waking up, I swear, like every half an hour. I ended up getting out of bed at about 2:30 because I just could not sleep. So I went to the toilet to try and like, I don't know, like I needed to wee, so I was like, oh, usually I just hold it until morning. I feel like this is too much information, but whatever. Yeah, usually I just hold it until morning, but I was like, no, I cannot sleep, so I need to get out of bed. And then I took Tilly outside so she could do all the wee. So yeah, I texted my family last night and I was like, I can't sleep, like I'm so excited. And yeah, I woke up super early this morning, and I feel like I'm rushing doing my makeup now because I'm just so excited to like get on the road and go pick it up. I probably won't take my camera to the car dealership just because I feel like there's going to be a lot going on. I'd rather kind of show you guys when I get it back home, if you know what I mean. Alright, so I'm going to bronze with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. But yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna figure out a budget tonight of how, because I want to pay my grandpa back as soon as possible. I feel like he kind of saw, I got my last car paid off to him pretty quickly, I feel like, took me a couple of months, and then but I feel like he saw that I was like, I never missed a payment and I was like on it and stuff, which I feel like is why he also trusted me this time, because he knows that, you know, I don't know, obviously I'd never steal his money or anything like that, but I feel like he also knows that I'm, you know, because it'd be easier to go to him and say, oh, you know, can't afford it this week, but I feel like he knew that I always put that first. I always made sure that that was paid first before I paid anything else that week. So, and I definitely want to do the same with this car, like, or this payment. I'm hoping to, I have a bit coming up in October and stuff, which you guys will see soon. So I'm hoping that after October I can, you know, pay off, I don't know, like maybe like half my weekly pay or something like that, because after October I shouldn't have that many bills left. Like, I shouldn't have that much more to pay. But yeah, so I'm just, yeah, my goal is to kind of get it paid off by the end of next year. I feel like it's a lot of money, obviously, and I want it kind of back to him as soon as possible. I feel like any time that I get any extra money in or anything like that, like, it'll go straight to him, so that, you know, he can have his money back as soon as possible. It's all paid off. But yeah, I'm so grateful. Like, I honestly cannot believe it. Like, alright, next I'm gonna take the Colourpop Super Shock blush in Gummy More. I've actually been loving this blush. Like, I really do like it. I feel like this video is quite short. I guess you guys are gonna see the car at the end though, so that's like the main part. But yeah, I feel like not having to pay interest is such a huge help as well, because when I looked on like the interest calculator or whatever, I think it was gonna be like an extra $5 grand. Which, that's a lot of money if you don't have to pay that, if you know what I mean. Like, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna highlight with the Jouer powder highlight in Citrine. I love this highlight. It is so stunning. But yeah, honestly, I already know there's gonna be people that are gonna watch this video and be like, I feel like, you know, the thing is, I've got to, I don't know, like, people are always going to have something to say, I feel like, and people might look at it and be like, well, your grandma helped you out, so it's not even like a real car. But the thing is, I feel like obviously everyone's on a different journey, and the thing is, I know that I work hard, and, you know, if my grandpa is in a position to be able to help me out, and if he wants to do that, like, I think that's lovely. And I don't know why, you know, I can't wait until I'm in that position that I can, you know, as well. But anyway, I just don't want people to think I'm spoiled, but I guess I am. Honestly, no, like, I don't know, like, it's, my family they spoil me, they love me, they give me, you know, I feel like my family always go above and beyond for me, but I'm not spoiled, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not, I don't expect it. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm just using the Benefit Their Real Mascara Primer. Like, I'm not like, who's the girl in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? You know, the I Want It Now one. I'm not like her, okay? Like, they do so much for me and they give me a lot, but I always appreciate it, if you know what I mean. Damn it, I accidentally got some mascara on my face. This is just the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I feel like I need a new one because it's like almost dried up. Alright. I don't know how to wear my hair today. I'm gonna fix it up a bit, obviously, but I don't know how to wear it. Alright. I feel like my under eyes just don't look that great. Why don't they look that great? I'm gonna like put some more powder under there to hopefully like make them look a little bit better. I'm hoping to surprise my dad. He is working and he said he's really busy, so because I really wanted him to come to the car dealership like while I pick it up, because my mom's gonna come and stuff, and I'm gonna take her for like the first drive, you know. And I really wanted my dad to come, but he just said he's too busy at work and he can't, which is fine. So I want to drive over to where he's working at the moment. And like surprise him, you know, if he can't come to me. and I want to go to him. My dad actually ended up surprising me and coming to the car dealership, so we wanted to surprise each other. Alright, okay. That feels so weird. So tight under my under eyes. I don't even think it helped at all. Anyway, some of my foundation's come off my nose. This is just not working. Alright, I'm gonna set my face. First I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Water Dew. Then I'm gonna lock it in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is the Sweet Peach one. Right, I'm gonna go off camera, do my hair, put a lip on, and then I'll be back. Okay, this is the finished look. I just used the Colourpop Luxe Lip Oil in Playa Vista. So I'm gonna go get my car now, and then I will see you guys soon, and I will show you my new car. I'm so excited, like I literally cannot wait. I did the insurance and everything last night, so it's all ready to go straight home. But yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Okay guys, here it is. This is my brand new car. My dad just got home. Hi! Hi. So this is it. It's the... It is very nice, isn't it? It is the Hyundai Elantra. I think I'm saying that right. And I am honestly... Huh? Hang on, I'm just filming a video. I am so obsessed. It is so beautiful. It's locked at the moment, so I can't show you inside, but... I love it. I drove it for the first time today, obviously, when I picked it up. And yeah, I am just so obsessed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel. All of your support has meant that I've been able to buy myself this car. You know, obviously with the help of my grandpa, but I wouldn't have been able to have the deposit if it wasn't for you guys supporting me and supporting my channel, and you know, so thank you guys so much. I honestly appreciate it, and once again a huge thank you to my grandpa. I literally cannot believe this car is mine, like. But yeah, anyway, this is my car, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. 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 Say bye. Bye.